I'm here with a patient. We get a lot of requests from people, hey, show us a patient that had the Deuk laser disc repair and it's 3 months after their surgery. Well, here's your patient. You had the Deuk laser disc repair done on your lower back 3 months ago. How do you feel today?
I feel great. All my back pain is gone. I'm able to walk, I'm able to jog, and I'm able to throw a baseball again. So I'm incredibly happy with all the results.
And you had the Deuk laser disc repair done on your lower back, L45, L5S1, 3 months ago. Do you still have the same pain you had before surgery?
No, not at all. I'm 100% pain-free in the back, a lot happier. My mood is better. I'm excited to get out of bed in the morning and get to the gym. So I couldn't be more grateful to Dr. Deuk and his team.
And you're training now to get back into pitching for baseball, is that correct?
Yes, I am.
Tell us a little bit about your future plans.
My plan is to get back to the Division I collegiate level of baseball. I'm fired up about it to get back on the mound, and I'll be 100% healthy thanks again to this procedure.
If you had your dream professional team to play for, who would it be?
The New York Yankees.
Of course, the New York Yankees. Awesome. All right, very good. Anything you want to say to your future fans out there?
If you're hurting, come down to Vieira, Florida.
All right, very good. Well, thank you so much for sharing your experience.
Thank you.
I just shook the hand of a pitcher who pitches over 100 miles an hour, right?
Not yet.
Soon to be. All right, let's get you out of here.